If you're choosing between Tauri, Electron, and Flutter, this isn't just framework versus framework. It's performance versus ecosystem versus UI experience. So, which desktop framework is actually better? Let's break it down. Tauri is the most lightweight and efficient option. Instead of bundling Chromium like Electron, it uses the operating system's native web view with a Rust backend, which means dramatically smaller apps and lower RAM usage. Some benchmarks report up to 90% lower memory usage compared to Electron. But here's the catch. It's still newer. The ecosystem is smaller, and advanced desktop integrations can become more complex, especially if you don't know Rust. Electron takes the opposite approach. It bundles Chromium and Node.js into every app, which makes apps heavier, but also extremely reliable and consistent across platforms. That's why apps like VS Code, Discord, Slack, and Notion still use Electron. The biggest advantage is ecosystem maturity. If you're already a web developer, Electron is still the fastest way to ship serious desktop apps. The downside is performance. Electron apps are notorious for high RAM usage and large install sizes. Flutter is the wild card. Unlike Electron and Tauri, it doesn't rely on web technologies. It renders everything itself using its own graphics engine. That gives you incredibly smooth animations and pixel-perfect UI consistency across desktop, mobile, and web. But here's the catch. Desktop support is improving, but it still feels more mobile-first. Native desktop workflows and ecosystem support aren't as mature as Electron yet. So, which desktop framework is better? Choose Tauri if you want small, efficient desktop apps with strong performance and security. Choose Electron if you want the safest long-term choice with the biggest ecosystem and fastest web dev workflow. Choose Flutter if you want beautiful custom UI and one code base across desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.